Hello, happy Monday, everyone. Today is June 1st, Mortgage Monday. My name is Kelly Ann Worthington with Kelly Ann Home Loans and Liberty Home Mortgage. So today's topic is your purchase price, your home that you can afford, and why it matters what city you're in and what to be aware of. So one of the things that I've seen a few times happen recently is, as a lender, when a client comes to us, they always want to know, what is the maximum home that I can afford? And a lot of times, just out of what they know on their end, they always think purchase price. And so they're like, okay, so I can afford a home that is $130,000. But what they don't realize is the purchase price is not the number that you want to be aware of. What you want to be aware of is what is your mortgage payment going to be? And the reason why this matters is because you can have a home, say in Cleveland Heights, in this area. You could have a home in Independence. I am up in the Cleveland area, so those are two cities that are kind of spaced out a little bit. Their taxes are completely different for their property taxes. So if you went to your realtor and you were just like, I want to look at this home for $130,000 and I want to look at that home for $130,000, their property taxes are going to be so different. And so it very much affects what your mortgage payment is going to be. So I want consumers to be aware of this, because what you really want to realize is that what city you live in affects the type of house size that you can afford. And this is why it's so important when you are considering getting a home to really take advantage of having a realtor to help you through the process. Sometimes people try to do it on their own, but what they don't understand is the benefit of having a realtor on your side is that is their job to help you know at each city you're looking in, what the property taxes are like, what your expenses would be like, if there's any homeowners association dues, things like that. So when you are looking at what you can afford, the most important thing that you want to know is, what is your mortgage payment going to be? So you want to, be aware that whenever you are looking at homes in different cities, you can afford different prices of homes. So if you are looking in one city where property taxes are $200 on a $140,000 home, but then you go to another city and it's $400 for a $130,000 home, that's a very, very different mortgage payment. It also can affect if you are qualified for that payment or not. If you are sitting there with a lender and your max number is $130,000, you need to know what tax amount that's based off of. So it's just very important to realize that there's more than just a purchase price that goes into can you afford the home or not. So you really want to, first step, ask your lender, what mortgage payment am I looking at and how much property taxes are being estimated in that. Secondly, you want to talk to your agent and let them know kind of where you're looking at price point wise of your mortgage payment, so that they know kind of how to help you maneuver through the different cities that you're looking in. It's important to know that every city has different property taxes. Not everybody knows that. And so that's why I wanted to discuss this today. One of the benefits, for my clients is that, I use a really great app called Pre-Approve Me, and it allows my customers to go in and they can type in any mortgage amount, any property taxes, insurance, etc., and it'll let them know if they're qualified or not based on that information, because it has all of their loan information on there. So you just want to be aware that every city has different property taxes and you can afford different things in different cities, so you don't want to just think, okay, I can afford a $130,000 home, so that means I can afford a $130,000 home everywhere. And it's also important to realize that if you pick a different city, you might be able to afford more in that city than in another. So just something to be aware of. Talk to your agent, your realtor. It's one of the benefits to having them there for you, is that they can help you navigate through the different cities and benefits of each different city, what their property taxes are, what advantages and disadvantages come to purchasing in different areas. So as always, I am here if you need any help getting pre-approved. Never hesitate to reach out. I'd love to be your lender. I hope you all are having a great day, and make sure if you're out there looking at properties to take a look at the cities you're in looking wise and know what their different property tax percentages are. You can search that online. So I hope you guys are having a great day. Never hesitate to reach out. My phone number is 440-346-6003. And as always, you can also go to my website, Kelly Ann Home Loans. That's KELLYANNHOMELOANS.com. Hope you all are having a great day. Happy Mortgage Monday. Bye.